Season 1 of The Road, Davienne and Ava Everett decided that in order to make our way onto the main roster, we needed to do it as a tag team. Okay, yeah. You know, and I thought it was kind of weird because at the end of Season 1, Davienne accepted a singles match against Rip Bison, and she won. She made us look good. She gave us credibility. So I said, okay, it's fine. Season 2 of The Road, and Davienne debuts as a singles competitor, and Ava Everett is nowhere to be seen. Vacation Land Cup 2020! Davienne comes back to the main roster in the opening match against Becca in a singles match. Davy, that was not what we communicated. Our friendship was clearly a mutually beneficial relationship, and you got what you wanted. So, I am going to get what I want. Ava Everett is going to come back to the main roster. And Davy, if you want your match, it is not going to be on the road. It is going to be at Double Vision.
Ava Everett, I'll give you your props. You know, we were the best of friends. I always supported you in everything that you did. For 8 years, I grinded in the Northeast, getting completely unnoticed. And you walk in, the hot new thing, and you accomplished more than me in 2 years than I ever did in 8. Props to you, Ava. I was so proud of you. Genuinely happy for my best friend. And when we became tag team partners, it's like a dream come true. So you weren't just my tag team partner in wrestling. You were a life partner. Somebody I thought I would be friends with the rest of my life. How many moments, how many times on the road did we spend together? Traveling. How many hours? Season 1, yeah, I accepted a match with Rip Bison. And I beat him because you gave me the confidence to challenge somebody like Rip. And I took that to Season 2 of The Road when you decided to start your new life in Florida and sit out the season. And so you're upset that I took the ball and ran with it and had the confidence to face someone like Christian Casanova, to face someone like Travis Huckabee and beat them. Yeah, and then I went on to Vacation Land Cup. Proved myself there too. Now, you want to be a singles wrestler. You want to be on the main roster for Limitless Wrestling. And you want to use me for that? Use me to prove yourself? Double Vision? You have no idea what you're in for.